The sun can be scorching hot, but why does it feel so much hotter than the moon? A viewer asked, "Why does the sun sizzle while the moon chills?" It's a great question, but now I'm curious. Do you feel the moon's chill, or is it just the sun's heat that you notice? Either way, let's dive in. The sun's surface is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 10 times hotter than the moon's surface, which is about 100 degrees Celsius, or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So why doesn't the moon just radiate that heat back to us? The reason comes down to a little physics. When an object radiates energy, it gives off light and heat. Hotter objects radiate more energy, and their light and heat move faster, giving them a bluish tint. Cooler objects radiate less energy, and their light and heat move slower, giving them a reddish tint. Since the sun is much hotter than the moon, it gives off way more energy and feels hotter to us. But there's another key factor at play here: distance. The sun is about 150 million kilometers from Earth, but the moon is about 380,000 kilometers. And because the moon is so much closer to Earth, its gravitational pull tugs on our planet's atmosphere, creating tides. But the sun's gravity also tugs on our atmosphere, and that energy creates auroras and makes our days hotter. In fact, if you took the average temperature of the entire Earth and put it into space, it would instantly vaporize. That's how powerful the sun's energy is. Most of the sun's radiant energy reaches Earth and warms it up so much that we can comfortably survive and thrive. But because the sun does not evenly heat the Earth, and certain regions receive more or less solar energy, they have different climates. Places closer to the equator receive more direct sunlight, and therefore have warmer temperatures. Places farther from the equator and higher in elevation receive less direct sunlight, and therefore have colder temperatures. Large bodies of water also moderate temperatures, because water heats up and cools down more slowly than land. So while the sun is scorching hot and the moon is just chilling, they both play important roles in making Earth a hospitable place for life as we know it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.